guys, I'm gonna pause my show. I'm in the middle of watching some true crime. Anyway, I am just straightening up and refilling my nail desk and thought I would chat with all of you while I'm doing it. I always like these videos, so thought I would go ahead and share. These are the what do you call them? The wipes that don't leave fuzzies. Anyway, got these from Shein. And I'm just filling up my little section here where I keep them. These were the original ones I had. I think these came from Sally's. So just refilling that. I got some of this stuff. It comes in a roll actually, just from the Dollar Tree, but I'm putting it at the bottom of my drawers just so that things don't slide around as much. So I'm just kind of measure that a tad here and give that a cut. I am getting ready. Let's see, today is Saturday. Tomorrow I'm gonna order some more Shein goodies because they usually have free shipping on Sundays. This is just my drawer, or however you want to call this, organizer, full of files, tweezers, buffers, just kind of random things, clippers, small files. I also have an extra thing of alcohol. I just kind of keep that like in the back of the drawer because obviously I don't need that all the time. I usually refill my alcohol in one of these things. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and refill that while I have it out. And that's another thing I'm kind of doing right now, is refilling things as needed. And this isn't really necessarily needed, but may as well do it while I have it out. So and these little pump bottles, I'm sure everyone has seen before, but they are just from Dollar Tree. This is my little bottle from the Dollar Tree of acetone. Let me see. Is my light doing okay here? I think it is. And it's not low really, but I'm gonna go ahead and refill that as well because I think then I can get rid of this. I'm gonna turn on the side so that I can see. Still got a little bit more in there. So I'm gonna try to some in the other one. Just gonna hold a little bit more. And in doing this, I think I have discovered that I need to get some more regular nail polish remover. Because I'm on my last bottle, which is actually about halfway on. So that's not good. Just gonna keep this. I always keep one of these and my nail polish remover out on my desk. I do have this little extra one that I got recently from Walmart. All right, then I'm gonna put this back in this drawer, just kind of those little swatchy does. I keep alcohol in here. Actually, I should go ahead and refill these as well with alcohol. Sticking this stuff in there. I mainly use this little cup of alcohol for if I'm doing polygel. And then this is just my spray bottle full of alcohol. And all of these little containers came from Dollar Tree. Very pleased to get those little things. All right. And then I think I showed you everything in this one. Just nail clips and my rhinestone glue and some rhinestones. So just gonna put that in there. And then as you can see, my desk is kind of a mess. Let's see if I can turn you a little bit more this way. And that light might be a little too bright. I think that might be a little bit better. Okay. This is my box of just brushes and dotting tools, etc. I'm just gonna stick that inside this drawer here. There's something else I stick in here. I think normally this acetone, but I'm gonna try to use this acetone up so that I can get rid of that bottle. All right. So I think that's everything in these drawers. So, I just have some nail polish to put away. And, I have some builder gel that like spilled all over the place, so I need to clean that up. I need to find a good system to put like my extras of all this stuff. I don't have like a really good drawer system because the only drawers I have are these. Got some more polish to put up. All right, got my little polishes put up. Recently got this little organizer from the Dollar Tree. It's supposed to spin, but it doesn't really spin the best. Yeah, it doesn't really spin the best, but it's okay. I'm gonna put this in here. This is just an extra little thing.
What are you doing? Cleaning?
Here, that's yours. I mean, polish remover. I definitely need to get some more. Alright. Okay, getting there, guys. And it's except for my cuticle oil. There we go. And then I have some tips. This is just a case that I put my Beetles nail tips and glue set in. And hopefully you can see Right here, this is where I have my polygels and all of my foil and nails. So, not sure how clear that is coming across, but that's what that is there. And trying to decide where I'm going to put these little drawers. Need like a whole section to themselves. This is, for example, one of my glitter drawers, and I'm not too much feeling like organizing that today. Do need to definitely do it one day. And I'm just gonna keep like my little cuticle oils and stuff. I think I'm just gonna keep them up there. I think they're cute with the little flowers in them and stuff, so that works for me. And then for some reason have like 3 sets of scissors. Big scissors. I'm just gonna put those up there. I have my lamp over here. Kind of far away, sorry guys. And then I'm just gonna keep my bottles of acetone and nail polish remover right over there. And same thing with my alcohol. I still have this little kit to do a box opening of, so. And then I'm gonna put my new little caddy thing just right here, I suppose. Let's see. I really need more room. Okay, but I think we're doing pretty good. And then I'm gonna go ahead and switch out my, when I am ready to do a new set, I will grab a new one. And I'm just gonna take one of these wipes, and I'm gonna take some of this, I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm gonna take some alcohol and spray this bottle down. It's coming off. I think what happened is either myself or my daughter was using this one and forgot to close it all the way, and it fell over and leaked. And it's builder gel, so it's really sticky. Okay, pretty good. Tighten that and spray the lid here. All right, pretty much good as new. And also, if you have not tried the iMelly Builder Gel, it's my absolute favorite. It's super affordable on Amazon, and it works really, really good. All right, guys, stay tuned for my next video, which is going to be either the Saboland or the Born Pretty Reflective Gel, just depending on which one gets uploaded first. But I appreciate everyone watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.